In the heart of the wild, Sarah faced a sudden winter storm, her escape plan evaporating into the blizzard. She calmly built an emergency shelter using fallen branches and leaves, illustrating the importance of quick thinking in survival situations. Next, she relied on her knowledge of foraging, locating edible roots and snow-covered bark to sustain herself. Remember, in unfamiliar territories, staying adaptable is key to survival. Finally, when rescue teams arrived 3 days later, Sarah emerged not just a survivor, but with newfound skills and confidence to navigate nature's unpredictability.